Alright guys, it's 3 o'clock. Trying to get all this moved down to my garage before it's dark, which is about 4:30 these days, so wish me luck. So yep, there I go. Taking it all down, clearing up space in the upstairs. Went pretty good. There was kind of a lot of planning, but mental preparation. Got it all down. It was fun. And I started putting up lights. Then I made like a wall of tools, because this is like a shop update kind of video. I had to take down all my old shop stuff. I just needed to change. At the end of the video, you'll see I just chopped up a bunch of my old shop furniture, so to speak. So got that all up there. Got that all screwed on and such. And I started to basically just put the tools wherever I wanted, because I had a whole big board there. I didn't know where the studs were in case I needed to anchor something bigger. I did mark out the studs on the outside of the particle board there, in case we needed a long screw for something, so it wasn't just hanging off the particle board itself. Like that screw, that went all the way through the stud. And then here's me cutting up the old stuff. Alrighty guys, hope you enjoyed that short video. Got my tools down here. Just about all of them, just kidding. That's not even nearly all of them, but good storage area for some miscellaneous. And yeah, that'll probably be it for 2025 shop update. Don't forget thumbs up and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.